Next, I would like to invite Mr. Arunkumar Radhakrishnan, Head of Business Development, South Asia, Midas Research and Development Center to address the gathering.
Please welcome him on stage.
Yeah, but should be there, na? Slide. All right. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Right. Thank you. Thank you, EduSkills. After immediate of lunch, I'm getting this session. Actually, it was supposed to be before lunch anyway, right? So I am Arun Kumar. I'm representing infrastructure design solutions. So we have a stall booth over there. So I'm from Midas. So before I start my presentation, I want to start a small story, very short and crispy story. The story is, you can see the first image, like, it's a wheel, stone wheel. So I go to Google and type, like, when the human invented the wheel. The Google replied me, the before century starts. Okay. Then I found another image. This is a briefcase. I just go to Google and type, like, when the briefcase invented. So Google replied me, early of 17th century. Then this is the image. It's not working. This is another image. Fixing the wheel in the briefcase become a trolley in 19th century. You can see the turnover. Kids trolley was projected in 2026. It's almost like a 600 million. So this what innovation, right? As engineers, we are all from the universities. Like, we need to think very, very innovative. That's what we represent. And since I'm from infrastructure background, this what our CAD starts. I hope few of mechanical engineers over here, right? So this what it is called as a technical drawing. Even I had some experience. Probably many of you have more experience out of it. But now what we are teaching to the student is completely into CAD, right? So into the technology. Technology is driving the civil engineers and mechanical core engineers. But in future, definitely it's going to be AI. So there is no change out of it. It is called as an engineering evolution. If somebody is saying that I don't want to adapt this, nothing is going to take for this, keep on go. So that's what, as a university, we need to accept the technology. That's what. I'm seeing this particular skill gap for past 2 days. Even many of the leaders visited my stall and they are saying that, sir, we are from civil engineering department, lot of admissions are going down. This is something I'm hearing it for a very long time. But I want to tell you something, please go to Google and type, upcoming infrastructure projects in 2024 or just upcoming infrastructure projects in India. You will get a list of projects. Airport is expansion, metro projects are going on. Even India is planning from tier 2, tier 3 cities. So there is a huge opportunities in India, right, where industries are lined up. They want a technology related civil engineers. But universities, we need to adapt that, right? So for that adaptation, yes, we are here. We are from Midas. It's a Korean company. We started in 1989. We are fulfilling like a CAD. We call it as a Midas CAD, followed by geotechnical engineering. Our chairman, sir, from AICTE, he himself a geotechnical engineer. So geotechnical engineering is something like bridge engineering. That is our flagship products, and structural engineers. So these are the technologies we are there in our Midas organization. And currently we have offices in 10 locations across the globe and some regional offices through. And we are the largest CAE developer in the entire world. So that's what our proudly said, civil engineering CAE. And how we are recognized, why our product are recognized in the industry. The reason is, these are the 4 tallest and strongest, longest, like Burj Khalifa is our big user. They used our technology for their real-time projects, followed by the few more case studies out of it. So I have a question not to you, but I have a questions to your students. Once you back to your college, please ask the questions to your civil engineering students. Just list out some infrastructure MNC companies. right? Just and then start your clock. Like, how many students are coming up and telling their company names. This is what we are lagging, right? As a civil engineers or infrastructure engineers, they need to know what are the top MNC companies in India or across India or outside India. They need to know that list. For that, I want to show you that these are our big users. You name any top MNC companies, they are using our technology. And some of the users in India, even from government sector also. So these are the industries are using our technology, and I have a case studies of book, right? That's what we represent. And I want to go a very quick overview about the technology. I don't take much time. The technology is nothing but it is called as a Midas Civil. It's a bridge design application. In one extent, I can say in India, you name any metro, right? They are using our technology. Like L&T is our big user. Likewise, all metro stations. If you want a case studies of any metro, like I can give you the book of metro projects. That's what we represent. And followed by few case studies in Malaysia. This is one of the longest bridge crossing the sea. And this is some curved bridge in US. Followed by another product called 𝐶𝐝𝐮𝐬𝐤𝐢𝐥𝐥 for high-rise building. Right, Burj Khalifa is our big user. So they used our technology for this particular solutions. Followed by Beijing Airport. So they used this technology. So this is geotechnical platform. I don't want to go into technical, but this is one project from Denmark for the dam. And this is something like it's a very old museum, but under the museum there is a tunnel project for the metro. So they used our technology. Followed by finite element analysis. Moreover, the software, I want to give you some testimonial from the industry people like WSP and 𝐄𝐝𝐿, one of the top infrastructure company. They talked about our products. This is what our technology in our basket. And since for past 30-35 years, we served our time and resources for the industry. Now we got a great feedback from the industry people that they want students. They want that. So we created a talent. We are planning to create a talent pipeline. That's why we started a Midas academic program. This is something very newly we started in our organization, targeting the universities and professors and students in civil engineering. What is our plan is, we are providing a full functional license access. Normally in universities there is a limited node academic version. That's what the scenario. But here we are giving a full version. The industry, what they are using, the same applications your students and faculties are going to use. Followed by materials like e-learning materials, technical supports, and hands-on training from our organization. So we will provide assessment type of training. So that's what we call it as an investment center. We won't say COU or MOU and all. We are investing in your campus. That's what we call it as an investment center in the universities. How it operates is like we are creating a lab type, followed by we are giving an academic program. If you have any course, we want to run a short-term course in your university, yes, we are ready to help you on content type. Industry, like we will invite the industry peoples to engage with your students and professors. That's what we do. Followed by placement assistance. We will take an internship. We will provide an internship. Followed by placement assistance and faculty development program. So these are all together. We call it as a Midas Excellence Center. And I want to show you something, mostly infrastructure, civil, that's what people say. I want to tell you something. We recently experienced with VIT campus for the Python integrated course. Now in civil engineers, students and faculties are very much interested on integrating Python. So we are running a hackathon at VIT campus. These kind of activities we do with the universities. And okay, I already covered about the placements and the internship. So what students will get? Normally we can have it in 4 categories. Maybe the job seekers from the BTech level, or they may go for a research, higher studies, or become entrepreneur. So our solutions will helpful for each category. That's what we designed it. Followed by universities. Many universities are coming to us and saying that we are not able to get more students in civil department. So here you go, like if you are creating this kind of center of excellence, universities will get accreditations followed by funding projects, because this particular domain where a lot of research and consultants opportunities for the faculty members. Like many IITs and NITs are doing, why not? A lot of private universities can also have this opportunity. That's what we do. research and publications. If any of your faculty members are doing on research publications, we will publish their article and we can take it to the industry people. And recognition and branding. So this is what industries can get benefit out of it. We have excellent libraries. Probably this might helpful for your faculty members. And support wise, we have some online and e-learning support internally with us. And we are very new to EduSkills, very new. Like 3 months before, I met EduSkills team, and I'm very happy to take it part. I came to know that EduSkills have a professor, educators from each colleges. I want to tell you something. We are here to support you people. If you are planning any faculty development program or industrial connections or publications of article, please reach out to EduSkills people. We are happy to support your universities. And we are also part of this year, internship program. Midas is launching 2 courses. One is on geotechnical and another one is on bridge designing. Please encourage your students because we are giving a software access come learning material. That's what this internship all about. So I'm requesting all you to encourage your students on this particular internship. We are targeting 50,000 students. And I have a gift for you all, not for you, for your students. We have a booth over here. If you are already registered, fine. If you are not registered, please visit our booth. So we will provide a e-learning access material for 1 year to all your students, followed by their limited duration of license access, and even participation certificates if your student is attending any of our workshop, digital book, and last but not least, I will provide Amazon voucher for your students. If any of your student is doing their project by using our technology, yes, they can send it across to us. We have some internal QA, and if it is very innovative, we will provide Amazon vouchers. So the idea of over here is we want to create a talent pipeline, and we all needs to encourage the infrastructure industry. And thank you. Reach out to me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the amazing talk. I request Dr. Satya to please felicitate Mr. Arunkumar.
Yeah. Thank you.